Imagine coming home from a massive wedding or event shoot with thousands of photos, and instead of spending the next 3 days glued to your screen culling and editing, you're completely done in just a few minutes. Today, we're looking at Aftershoot, an all-in-one AI software designed to handle your entire post-shoot workflow, from culling to editing, retouching, and even delivering client galleries. Let's start with culling, which is usually the biggest bottleneck. Aftershoot offers two ways to cull: AI automated, which gives you a hands-off first pass, and AI assisted, which keeps you in the driver's seat. The AI is smart enough to group duplicates and separate creative variations so you don't lose those key moments. Plus, it actually learns your personal preferences the more you use it. Once your photos are selected, you move to editing. You don't have to compromise your style here. You can train the AI on your past edited photos so it learns to edit exactly like you. Or you can import your favorite Lightroom presets and let the AI make them intelligent. If you don't have a personal style yet, you can also choose from styles created by industry pros. Next is retouching. With one click, you can clean up skin, hair, glare, and backgrounds with a natural finish. And when you're ready to share, Aftershoot lets you upload directly to branded client galleries that feature face detection and a built-in print store to help you make extra profit. Now, let's talk about the practical details. One of the best things about Aftershoot is that it works completely offline, meaning your files never leave your computer, keeping your client's data private. They also offer a flat-rate subscription with unlimited usage, so you don't have to worry about pay-per-image fees. To be completely transparent, while Aftershoot highlights a stellar 4.9 out of 5 rating from over 1,700 reviews on their website, we don't have a database of independent third-party user reviews to pull detailed cons from today. However, because they offer a fully featured 30-day free trial with no credit card required, the absolute best way to see if it fits your workflow is to download it and test it on your own raw files. If you want to reclaim hours of your week and spend more time behind the camera instead of the screen, head over to Aftershoot.com and start your free trial. Let me know in the comments how it handles your style, and I'll see you in the next video.